Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is vitality. I need you to check in on those vitals. As we say on this page, I need you on a massage table twice a month. Let's open up that lymph system. Let's get the junk out. Open up that decompress the nervous system so we can take the pain, fibromyalgias, and the tweaks and the weight off of those pinched nerves so you can feel better. If you feel better, you think better. Therefore, your life shall become better. I need you to stay away from shellfish, pork. These are nasty, negative energies and filthy food diet, and there's no way that we can manifest a positive, healthy life with a negative, filthy diet. I am a being of light. I accept my divine energy in my body. I respect it by ingesting the right things. Make sure you're drinking water. Stay away from those things that I just mentioned for your diet. And every one of my cells regenerate and you become an all-powerful being, attracting nothing but positivity, manifestations, and another trip around the world of adventure in the universe. And great things are coming your way. Do not be the roadblock in your way right now. I need you to do the best for yourself, because what does it benefit you to have your heart's desires? And you can't enjoy it due to poor health and poor thinking. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, and I love you too.